Indian Union Budget 2016-17 is pro-agriculture. The government is trying to improve the agriculture sector through the fusion of traditional farming practices and modern technology. In 2016-17 budget, 35,984 crore rupees is allocated for agriculture. This budget has proposed a number of measures to improve the agriculture and for farmers' welfare. Some notable ones are 2.58 million hectares to be brought under irrigation, 2,87,000 crore rupees grant in aid to be given to municipalities and Gram Panchayats, and 100% village electrification targeted by May 2018. The key focus of this year's budget is to improve the social and economic situation of rural India and developing smart villages. I believe India and Israel together can solve the global food crisis. Here I would like to quote the words of Mr. Benjamin Netanyahu. We both are ancient nations, ancient civilizations. We treasure our past, we take pride in our past, but at the same time we want to seize the future. The future belongs to those who innovate. India and Israel are cutting edge in so many areas of innovation, and by working together we can do a lot more for our people and for the world. I believe Israel is accustomed to handling BDS movement kind of challenges. Israel is known for many things, and agricultural technology is one of them. Mr. Daniel Carmon, Israel's ambassador to India, is doing phenomenal work to boost the agricultural cooperation between both countries. Our agricultural cooperation is going in a right direction, but there is a need to give a strong push because this time the opportunities are enormous and our government is supporting like never before. During the 7th Vibrant Gujarat Summit, India and Israel have signed a joint statement for the third phase of Indo-Israel Agricultural Cooperation Project. During the first and second phase of this project, 26 centers of excellence have been opened in different parts of India. In the third phase of this project, both countries will further strengthen the bilateral agricultural development cooperation. Israel has opened Center of Excellences in different states of India, mainly in Haryana, Punjab, Rajasthan, Uttar Pradesh, Gujarat, Maharashtra, Bihar, Karnataka and Tamil Nadu, and planning to expand further. Haryana is one of the most active states in Indo-Israel Agricultural Cooperation Project. Indian Union Budget 2016-17 is unique in itself and it's an opportunity for Israel. I appeal to all my Israeli friends to participate in Make in India, Digital India, Startup India and other running programs. Our Prime Minister Shri Narendra Modi used to say, we want to present to the world the enormous opportunities that India presents. This is the best time to be in India and even better to make in India.